Hi everyone, how are you? I am so excited to be here. So today I am unboxing the Entrepreneur Box for kids and teens. We are looking at the Boss Club. So a lot of people have children that want to start their own businesses, they want to be an entrepreneur, and it can be really hard as parents to know how to support and guide our kids in this venture. One of the things, if you know anything about me, is that I absolutely love boxes and kits like this because as a busy mom, I sometimes don't have time to run around and gather all the resources that I need. And so when Boss Club reached out to me and said, hey, we have a brand new box that's just out. It's to help kids and teens start their own business. Would I be interested in checking it out? You know, finding out what's in it, trying it out with my kids and sharing the journey with you? I said yes, but first I had to get my kids on board. So we took a look at the website and I provided a link for you in the description of this video so you can go there and you can check it out and see how it's all laid out. And after they took a look at it, they said, yeah, that might be fun. And you'll notice that the first box is designed to help kids not only get started in their business, but really help them work through all the steps. So if you're with me and you're watching, and I hope you can hear me, then I think it's time we open the box. So first of all, I'm in Canada, and this box shipped out from the States. You'll see it came in perfect shape. I didn't have to pay anything extra when it came to the door. That has happened to me before, so I always like to include that when I'm talking about boxes getting shipped to Canada, that sometimes they show up as a surprise, and that's the type of surprise you don't want, is an extra charge. So I was not charged anything extra. This box actually came in a larger box, and it was all wrapped in all kinds of paper and everything, so there was no damage to the box whatsoever. So that is always a good thing. It's important. I've had boxes come from other places that were smashed. I've had surprises of unknown expenses and charges, so you know, that's not fun. So I always like to share that kind of journey of how it came, and it came rather quickly. It didn't take a long time, so I was really happy about that too. And it crossed the border, no issues. Okay, so this is the box. You'll notice it's from Bossclubco. It's nice and plain and very solid. So let's take a look. All right, so it starts with a quote on the inside here. Very cool. It says, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So it's nice encouragement for us to help our kids reach their goals. So it starts with a, you see that? It is a dog treat business. So that's what we'll be doing. That's perfect. I have 2 dogs, so we have lots of in-house testing. Startup guide. This is a massive, it's a very big book. Look how big that is. Oh, you can see in there. I'll show you a couple pages. Okay, so I'm gonna look and see if I can find a table of contents, hopefully. It says, welcome to the Boss Club. In this box you have everything you need to start your very own dog treat business. Follow the instructions, use your creativity, and you will be boss of your own business in no time. So this is super cool. I was talking about, it looks like it walks them through creating their product, what you'll need. So there's a page of what we'll need. And it looks like things that, oh, okay. So it talks about the things that are included in your box and the things that aren't included in your box. So it looks like eggs and water are not included in the box, which I'm really happy about because I think I'd be kind of surprised if I had smashed eggs and water all over my box. But the cookie cutter's included. It looks like everything else is here. We'll take a look and see if it actually is in a minute. So there's some really cool things. This is really big. I'm gonna see. In Canada, we go halfway through and then it switches to French. But this is, nope, it's from, everything is English all the way through. Okay, so the first thing we got was a quote. The second thing we got is a curriculum kind of guide. It's really not like a regular curriculum. I don't see like questions and answers. It's all to walk you through all the steps, how to keep track of your customers, advertising, pricing your product. Very, very cool. It even talks about profit margin. Okay, can you see that? Cool. Oh, looks like I'll be vacuuming later. Don't tip the box. Okay, so we got a package of rolled oats. So very cool. We have flour. Okay, it's like a good amount here. Dry milk. I love the labels. The little dog bone. It's so cute. Oh, just to let you know, if you're commenting on the video, the comments are not showing up for some reason. So if you want a direct link to this box, just leave a word like box or link, and I'll come back in later and get that direct link for you. Peanut butter. Oh, yeah, it totally feels like peanut butter. So be aware that if your child has allergies or anyone in your house has allergies to flour, oats, dry milk, peanut butter, do not order this box. And it actually has that warning on the website to let you know. Because, you know, it's good to know those things. Okay. Isn't this cute? Can you see that? It's a cookie cutter. That's really cute. It's really hard to find the dog bone shaped ones. Oh, wow. It even includes the parsley and salt. All right. Let's see. I'm digging through these shavings. I don't want to dump it again. So next we have, oh my word. It even includes a Sharpie. That's hilarious. I find that really funny because sometimes boxes will assume you have certain things in your house. And we have a lot of Sharpies, but we never have black. So my kids love the Sharpies for art. Okay, so this is called additional materials. And no, I thought it might have got wet, but I think it's just the design on the envelope. Okay, so I'm just going to dig through and make sure. Nope, okay, so that's everything in the box. Sorry about that. Now we get to look at this one. So I want to know what is included. Sorry, I should have pre-cut that. I would have if I had known. Oh, this is cool. All right. Oh boy. So this is an ingredients. Oh, remember I told you about the allergies? Look at this. Can you see that? Come on, there we go. It is a tag that you can put on the finished product, because what the kids are going to do is they're going to make dog treats and then they're going to sell them, and that's part of their business. So when they sell them, when you get the box, if you go to the website, you'll notice that it says allergies because of the peanuts and the flour and the oats and everything. So when your kids go to sell their product, they also would want to include an allergy warning. And so these stickers, I think they're stickers or labels, have contents may contain or come in contact with wheat, eggs, peanuts, tree nuts, and milk. And it also has all the ingredients listed out there. That way, when they're trying to sell their product, they don't have to worry about people coming back to them and being really upset that they have come into contact with things that they're allergic to. I think that's brilliant. I would not have thought about that. So they get little labels. Isn't that cool? They have little dogs on them. Okay, so a special coupon. So, oh, and it has the dog bone. Can you see that? Come on, you. And it has, this must be for like repeat businesses or encouraging, you know, your kids to value their business, their clients and customers. So we get 3 of those. And then a little bit about the treats, so they can put in, make like a little about me page or about the treats and, you know, how to use them. It'll be interesting. And thank you cards. We just had a discussion how hard it is to encourage our kids to express their thanks to people and clients. And so this would be great for starting their own business. It really encourages them to thank their customers. And we know how much we appreciate that as a customer, so that's really cool. And the bags. So this will be like the little, I almost said doggy bags. I guess they are doggy bags, but and they have a clear window so they can see what's inside it when they sell their. And then we have marketing flyers. These are really hard. See that? They're made of really good, high quality material, and I love the photos. Isn't that cool? So that's what's inside the box. It looks like it contains everything that you need to start the business. I love the guide. It's nice and thick. I'll be sharing with you over time as we begin to use the box, what we think of it, how the curriculum or program is laid out, how the step-by-step process, if we like it, if we don't. So far, I absolutely love how they ship to me, no problem, even though I live in Canada. The box came in perfect shape. It looks like it includes everything, except obviously your cookie pan, like your cookie sheet, oven, eggs, and water was not included, so that's good to know. People are asking about the price. So the price, according to the website right now, is $49.99 for a box. But if you wait, when you go to the website, wait for the little pop-up to come up, and if you sign up for their email address newsletter, you will save 15%. This box is designed to help our children start their own businesses and entrepreneurs. They don't have an age limit on the site that I could see. If you happen to find one, please let me know. It does say kids and teens, so I'll be testing it out with my teenagers, ages 15 and 16. All right, so that's everything from me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me while I opened up the box to see what's inside. I can't wait to share our journey with you. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks and have a great day.